Hello children, let's learn to draw some shapes. This is the heart shape. This is a triangle. This is a hexagon shape. This is a star. This is a square. And this is a circle. Now it's coloring time. Red color. This is the red color heart. Orange color. This is the orange star. Light blue color. This is a blue color triangle. Pink color. This is a pink color square. Yellow color. This is a yellow color hexagon. Light green color. This is a green color circle. Heart, triangle, hexagon, star, square, circle. Thank you for watching children. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.